I accidentally sat on my favorite hair claw, literally broke 2 pieces. Okay, well, let's just get to the point. I'm going to try a curly hair method today because I bought a new product and I think it's just going to change my life. I have my matcha here and it's pretty late and I'm very excited to try it. Okay, so I kind of wetted my hair a bit. Where do I start? I think I'm going to start firstly with this new product that I bought. I'm just gonna put this all over my hair. I kind of have this problem with my hair where like inside parts are just generally so curly. They're doing amazing. You're doing amazing, sweetie, Kylie.
Go, Kylie, go! Good job, Kylie. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Wow, look at her go. Woo!
But the top part of my hair is never like curling perfectly. It's just always frizzy. It's always a bit straight, and this like especially this part up until here is just like completely straight, and I don't like that at all. I'm going to try this method that I saw online where you get this top part of your hair and you just put it forward and you put all product in it. And yeah, I'm just gonna try. I'm just gonna go from eyebrow, kind of get this whole part, put this all back here. I'm no expert, I'm just trying stuff out. Is that too much? I just want this one video to be a bit more casual because all my older videos really took me such crazy amounts of effort, even though they're not like the most high quality and editing and just like videos, but they still took me a long time because I just wanted it to be perfect. But this one I don't know, I just kind of want to record it because I'm excited for this one product. Should I put a little bit more in here just to be sure that I've used enough product? I'm just gonna put that much. Did I say what the product was? I don't know if I even said it. It is Hydrate Anti-Frizz Oil in Cream. Can you see that? Would I get copyrighted if I hope I don't get copyrighted because of this song? I should probably stop the music in case like I get copyrighted or something. That's not good. So I put it, I don't know what that product is. I just put that product in all over my hair. I think I might have put it a little bit too much. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna go in with the mousse now. I have this MORFOSE one. I love this product. I have every type of other product of this line. I don't know if that sentence made any kind of sense, but I love this product. It just smells so nice. Especially the shampoo of this one is just perfection. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing. I don't know how much I should be putting of this product. It smells amazing. Please smell. Please do so. I didn't get enough. I got bored, so I'm just gonna talk a bit. Wait, let me just... Lately, I kind of just really wanted to solve my whole problem with just like curly hair in general. I don't really know how to deal with my hair. That's the problem. Like since childhood, it has always been quite too frizzy, too all over the place. So I kind of needed to learn at one point. I really do hope this works. I'm not gonna let it air dry because it is very late to be doing that. Honestly, it's just late to be doing this hair at all. Like I'm just gonna go to sleep after this video and my hair is going to be bad in the morning. I'll look like a witch in the morning. I don't know, like whatever I do, I'll still look like a witch in the morning. Or a lioness. I like that one better. I'm just kind of like doing this video because my hand is slipping. That's why I'm like kind of pushing it from myself. What was I even saying? Yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna put a bonnet over it, but it's not gonna do it for me. I know that. I don't know, like, if I don't know if it's worth to put a bonnet at this point because in the morning it won't be like how I left it in the night. There's this one Instagram post that was like, this is how curly haired people will be sleeping, and then it's just like his head is like off the bed, so it's just like his hair is just like in the air, if that makes sense. I have like a satin, is that the same in English? I don't know, pillowcase, and I have a satin again bonnet. I'll still look like a witch in the morning. It just doesn't really matter what I use, but I really hope these products kind of like save it in a way. Is that enough? I think that's enough, honestly. At this point, I'm just like kind of tired. I used my Nespresso machine for my matcha, which is so crazy and it doesn't make any sense to me. I do get like how coffee is made in the Nespresso machine, but with matcha, it's like you do it very differently. You put the powder first and then the hot water and just kind of like mix it together, and you don't pressure, like push water through it. I don't know how it works in the Nespresso machine to make matcha like this, but it tastes so good and it also smells really amazing too. There's like 2 shots of matcha in this. And it's like an okay color. It could have been greener, but I think for the Nespresso machine, like, it is good enough. It is better than the coffees. Sorry, it is better than the matchas I get in the coffee shops. They're like such a bad gray color all the time. Whenever I get like coffee, whenever I get matcha from the coffee shop, it's just, I don't even have an example of gray around me to show you guys. Like, it's just always such, it looks like a cloudy sky when you ask for matcha in a coffee shop. So this is greener than those. Okay, I realized I had the music open for the whole time I was talking. Anyways, I dried my hair. Okay, I'm ready for a reveal. I mean, this is already a reveal by itself and I'm very happy about it, but I'm like very excited for the top parts because, like I said, that was my whole problem. Like, they were always too straight. Moment of truth. Who is she? I don't know her. It works. I have never ever in my life, in my whole entire 22 years of life, never seen my hair like this. Oh my god, I want to wake my mom up and show her my hair, but she's sleeping. I mean, would it be too mean to wake her up and say, look what my hair can do after 22 years? Did you know my hair could do this? I am so impressed. I did not expect it to work this good. Oh my god. Safe to say, this is a good tutorial video. Like I said, the inside parts, they were always good, but they were never this good, by the way. But like, I'm shocked at how healthy and just how curly these parts are looking. And my bangs, my bangs are a little funny. Let me do a 360 for you guys. I'm so happy with how my hair turned out, and thank you all for joining me throughout this video. If there are any new people watching this other than my 89, oh, I manifested that, other than my 88 subscribers. Anyways, enough about me. I'm gonna go to sleep, y'all. It is just too late at this point. I am just too tired and I should have studied throughout this whole time I was making this video. How do I go to sleep with this hair where no one's going to see me? Good thing I recorded this video. I am so excited for my hair to be the outfit instead of my actual outfit. Do you know what I mean? Sometimes when you take like real good care of your curly hair, it's just like, it makes the whole outfit. It doesn't matter what you wear, the outfit looks good. Well, I want to have that moment, so how would it look if oh, my hair glow, it just looks so sad. Will it still work? How does that look? Does that look good? Thanks for joining me throughout this whole hair journey that I had in this night. See you all later.